Hi guys, so yesterday ito yung mga nabili ko from H&M. Sunglasses lang guys kasi I'm not a crazy shopper na kung ano makikita na sale bili agad. So ito I bought it, you know, because they are so cheap. So yan, and I bought some a dress for my daughter. Oh ayan, and I think my daughter got the other sunglasses. So, yan lang guys. At H&M, original price is $9.99. Okay. Thank you guys for supporting us. Yes guys, if you wanna buy these sunglasses, just go to H&M. May mga sales sila. As I said, there's plenty of sale on their items, but I'm not really a crazy shopper na pag makakita ng mga sales ay bili agad ng bili. So yung mga really cheap lang. So ito kung magasgas, so it's okay, it's really cheap. Alright guys, bye. So guys, I meet these two awesome ladies in the area. And their name is Suella and Giselle. Shout out to you ladies. Thank you for picking me up and my daughter. And we went to eat at Pacific Buffet here in the area. And we have a lot of choices of foods guys. Pasensya na hindi ko na-picturean kung gaano karami yung nasa table namin na mga foods. We spend like 2 hours, you know, with a lot of chit-chats. And yeah, I'm glad that I met them because I haven't hung out with Filipino yet in the area. So they seems really nice, and they are one of the lady. She have one kid, so my daughter having fun.
There's some fish. Oh my gosh, I get so hungry. Salad here.
And yeah, let's choose from. There's a lot of dessert, meats, vegetables, fruits.
Now we're gonna get some.
Yeah, we get out of the restaurant that we are so full. So we decided after we decided to, you know, check out the H&M store and roam around. Okay guys, thank you very much.
So we find the H&M store and they are on sale. So now we're gonna check out what's the deals inside and maybe pick up a few stuff. Here we are. H&M.
Oh my god, bunnies? Yeah. What's your size? Yes! I love this. This is $4.99. I like it. Wait, what is it? That's 6. That's 4 and 6. No, I need 8. 8 and 7. 8 and 7.
That's too big for her.
Yeah, we need like, this is 8 and 10, but that's I'll be right back. This shirt's cute. Where's my size? 8, 10.
There's more at the other side, Nak. Nak.
Here. Hold on, Mom. Oh. This is cute for you. I found
This
my
is
size.
cute.
It's for my size.
This is so much price.
For my size. That one's cute. I like that pattern. That's cute, but that's $17.99. No. I like this,
$19.
but this is not my size.
Where's the sale one?
I'm 6Y. This is 5. I'm 6Y. This is 5. Wait, I'm 6Y. You're 6Y? Yeah. I found it. Mommy! Peppa, what are you doing on my shirt? Everywhere.